What's going on, guys? I am kind of like halfway through this install. I really wasn't going to film it, but I'll show you my RT badge. I don't think I've shown you guys that yet. I am replacing the throttle body. So there's intake manifold, still the 5.7, but I'm just going to toss this one on since I got it until I get the 6.4, then I'll swap everything out. But check out the size difference here between this stock one and this 85mm. About a 1/4 inch difference in size, so definitely noticeable. Let me see if I can set these up kind of just to show you. That one doesn't really set up very good, but check that out. Pretty big difference there. So hopefully we're going to be flowing more air from the AFE, and this is for the 6.4, that's why it's shaped like this, but I'm going to kind of jerry rig an intake tube just to make it work on the 5.7 manifold for now. But just wanted to show you guys that pretty big difference there, 85mm versus the stock, I think it's like 80mm, so 79/80, so pretty big difference. All right, guys, here we go. Got the AFE, which once I get the new manifold, this is about where the throttle body is going to be right here, because the 6.4 manifold kind of curves out. But here's my jerry rigging. It's got a tube off Spectra, off Summit. It's a Spectra tube, bends and whatnot. Used some clamps, some rubber hose grommets, and just kind of clamped it all together. So should be good. Everything seems pretty solid. Extended the harness for the intake air temperature sensor, and I bought a new hose for the vacuum line there. So there we go. New throttle body is on, BBK, and then momentum intake, a little scoop, and then it is also open underneath. So we'll see how that goes with temperatures and whatnot. But hopefully this kind of stays together for the next month until I get the 6.4 manifold. All right, everyone, just to add to the last couple of clips there, I wanted to talk about, so I got the makeshift intake here, booted up to the AFE for the 6.4 manifold, and then I got the BBK throttle body on here. So my next thing I did that wasn't in the last part was I extended the map harness back here. You could see, put it in some wire loom, kind of like factory stuff. So it doesn't look too bad. It looks kind of weird right now just because it's so long, but once the 6.4 manifold's on, it'll fit better. I extended the throttle body or throttle position sensor harness here too, 16 inches. I got it zip tied temporarily until the new manifold, and then I got obviously the intake air temperature sensor extended as well, and that's zip tied just to keep it out of the way too. So all those are extended, and I've got over here the 6.4 manifold that is ported. So we can take a look at that real quick. You can see it right here, ported. It's got the gaskets with it, so I actually didn't even need to buy the gaskets, but it did not have the SRV controller, or the SRV, I can't think of the name of it right now, whatever this piece is, and then had to get a map sensor and a PCV valve, because the ones on the 5.7 manifold don't fit. So the PCV valve and the map sensor are on the way. I could install this right now, but I'm just going to wait till everything gets here. Like I said, I didn't need the throttle body gasket or the manifold gaskets because the new one came with it. But we are ready to go here. Just waiting, like I said, waiting on the map sensor. But I got the Z Automotive SRV controller, all the wiring, the harness for that. So that's supposed to be a pretty easy plug and play. So that'll control the short runner valves, on the 6.7 manifold. But like I said, I'm just waiting on a couple things, the PCV valve and the map sensor, and we'll be good to go. But just kind of wanted to update you guys on this, where we're at on it. Everything's ready to go. Just waiting on a couple things there. This is all bolted up, so I'm thinking I could probably get this done pretty quickly, because at this point I just have to unbolt the manifold, unplug all the harnesses, unbolt the manifold, fuel rails, transfer stuff over, and then put in the harness from MMX, the SRV controller harness there. So stay tuned. Hopefully, I don't know if it'll happen this month. Like I said, I'm still waiting on parts. I got no ETA, but definitely should happen next month for sure. So stay tuned for the next video. I'm not going to do like an install video. I'll just kind of do a little update afterwards, and then I'm definitely going to get some runs in, see if my times improve at all with the larger throttle body, the momentum intake, and the 6.4 manifold, because I'm gonna have to get a retune from Mags after I get that stuff on. So thanks for watching.